Hey guys, I wanted to come on today and talk to you about why everyone needs to have a love list. Now, I did a full session, a live session on this topic, I think last week or the week before that, which you can find on my channel. But I really wanted to just talk about this little bit today because it's something that I see all the time, both in married women, single women, confused women, separated women, dating women, is that they end up pining over, chasing, begging a man that doesn't even meet their basic requirements of what they desire in a mate because they have given it no thought. And oftentimes I will work with women who are either separated from their husbands or their romantic partners because something has gone astray. Maybe he's not proposing or he's not showing up for you in the way that you were expecting or desired. But you're chasing him and you're wanting him and you're trying to convince him and audition with him, and you're in this kind of needy, begging energy. But when I have women stop for a second and say, wait a minute, let's put him aside for a second. If he wasn't there, and if God spoke to you and said, you know what, you can have any man that you desired, as long as you were really clear on what it is that you desired. Where's your love list? And if you sat down and made your love list based on the abundance potential that's out there and not what you think is available in your hometown, available from what your friends have told you, available from what you've seen in all of the dating sites, available based on your past history, available based on what you think is your worthiness. But really, if you saw as infinite potential out there and you created this love list, then you would have a guiding post and a way to know, is this man that's on his way out, that's deselecting himself because he deems himself not to be your man, is he worth chasing? Is he worth fighting for? Is he worth convincing? And most likely he's not. That's why he's deselecting himself. That's why he's out of love deciding to back out so that the right man can find you. And I also think this helps the other way around. I've been very honest with you that when I was having issues in my own marriage because I wasn't in the right mindset, I didn't know about feminine energy, I was in my masculine all the time, I didn't know the laws of love, the dynamics of relationships, and I was making all these mistakes. I kept blaming my man, but every time I went to my love list, I would have a reset because I would know, wait a minute, no, he matches my love list to a T. So there is no better man out there, therefore something else is off. And that is what actually ended up saving our marriage. That's what ended up saving our relationship because I kept going back to the love list. So I think it's really important for you to be crystal clear on what it is that you desire in a mate and not based on the limitations that are your past reality or even your current reality or the reality around you. Now, I'll often hear from women saying, but Mina, you don't get it. In my town, I just can't find this kind of guy. That's a limiting belief. Because if I turn on the news tonight and they're not saying, you know what, every single woman, pack up your bags and please leave this city right now. Grab your children, grab your belongings, get the hell out of here because this town is officially out of good men, then that's a limiting belief. If it's not true for everyone else, then that's a limiting belief. So make your love list and then see, wait a minute, this man that I'm waiting on, this man that I'm chasing, this man that I'm putting my life on hold for, is it time to let him go because he doesn't meet my love list? And if you want to learn more on how to create a love list, I have a free video on this. I think it's like an hour long, and it's in my recent videos. If you click the tab and check it out and get started. Start on a napkin. It doesn't have to be perfect. Start on a napkin and work your way up, but have some sort of a guide on what it is that you desire in your life partner. This is serious stuff. The man that you choose to be your life partner is going to be the potential father of your children, maybe your existing children or any future children you decide to have. And legally, by law, at least in the United States, he's going to end up being your business and financial partner whether you like it or not. Right? So this is a man that you're choosing for your spiritual growth as well as your worldly needs here on this planet, on this plane that we live in right now. If something were to happen to you, this is the man that would make decisions on your behalf. If this man runs up credit card debt, you would be legally responsible for paying that. So you see what I mean? Like, this is a serious decision. Like, give it some thought. I feel like we spend more time researching the next handbag we're going to buy or where we're going to have dinner than we give thought to the fact that who should be my life partner? Who is the man that's worthy of being my spiritual partner in life? So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And I'm currently enrolling for the Conscious Couples Intelligent Love Intensive 2.0. You can find the link in the description box. And currently, if you sign up for that, it's a merging of polarity, science, and spirituality. It's a life-changing program. You'll never be the same. The women that have taken it have loved it, have had huge shifts. But currently, if you sign up, you also get my modern dating program, which is called Modern Dating for Mature Women. And mature, I don't mean in the sense of age, but mature in your consciousness. And as all of my programs are based on inner work, they're good for single women, married women, relationship women, dating women, upside down women, yellow women, blue women, all women. So I welcome you in there. The invitation is in the description box, and I'll see you there. Bye.